All clear. Enjoy your search for Big Bear.
Hello, everyone. Ned Oakley here. Now, let's go find Big Bear. Hang on, we're gonna kick it into high gear. Hey, right. No, bear left. Did you see that? Was that Big Bear? He's bearing down, go! That was a close call. Let's head back to camp. We barely made it. I'm pretty sure that was Big Bear, but there's no way to know for sure. I bet we spot him next time.
When the train comes to a complete stop, push up on your lap bar and exit right. Remember to take your personal belongings with you and exit through the gate. Have a great day at Dollywood.